Hi guys, and I hope you're having a great day. Welcome to the channel. So today we're going to have a look at another one of the low mintage coins, and hopefully you've seen some of the other videos, but today I wanted to highlight the 2016 5-cent coin. There were two 5-cent coins for 2016, and but this one here is the lowest mintage for that year, and certainly the lowest minted 5-cent coin ever put into circulation. So has the standard design of the echidna like all 5-cent coins, but unlike the regular 5-cent coin, this doesn't have the full queen's head on the obverse. It has also this is a changeover coin, so highlighting 50 years of the decimal currency, and that there is a penny that is depicted on this side of the coin. So this coin has a very low mintage, which we will have a look at in just one moment. But these guys here have been selling fairly consistently since they've come out for around $1 each, so 5 cents into $1. As I've been collecting these are certainly becoming harder and harder to find, so keep each and every one you find. So if you're noodling along and enjoy that, make sure you go through and check through all your 5-cent coins and see what you can find. But we'll just have a look at the Mint website once again, and here we are on the Royal Mint website, as you can see there, and they've got all the mintages for each of the coins that go into circulation. They do also bring out an annual report which gives you all the mintages of coins that are not meant for circulation. But as we scroll down the list here, it's got each and every year, and in a previous video we've spoken about the 1972, and you can see there that the 1972, which is certainly classed as a low mintage coin and certainly has some decent value to it, is at 8.3 million, and I said in my previous video they're around $5 each, but this coin actually has a lower mintage. And as we scroll down, we'll see that there were two 2016 5-cent coins here. The standard echidna with the regular head has 34.4 million for the year, and the 2016, to celebrate the 50th anniversary of decimal currency, as I said, only 4.8 million. So yeah, we still don't know what the 2018, that'll be reported later on in the year, but certainly the 2016 is the lowest minted coin as of this moment that has been fully reported. This is only a half-yearly report, the 3.3. Could go up, may stay the same, we don't know. We won't find out until possibly November 2019. So yeah, for now, that one there is the one to keep an eye out for, and make sure that if you collect 5-cent coins, that'll be the one that you need to collect. So yeah, make sure you keep an eye out for those ones there. Alright guys, enjoyed bringing this video to you and look forward to bringing many more. Thanks for watching.